Hi friends, I'm going to plant a Brussels sprouts seedling in this pot. Later I'm going to show the Brussels sprouts that I have planted in the garden beds. This is alfalfa meal. This fertilizer is high in nitrogen, which is 12, phosphorus 10, and 5 potassium. I'm going to use a handful. I have rejuvenated my soil with compost. Make sure to firm down the soil so that there's no air pockets. This is how deep I planted. So when I transplant this one later on, the new soil will be up to here. That one is a Brussels sprouts. Also that one. There's another Brussels sprouts. And this cutie one also. I use this fish plant food as a side dress every other week. I'm also going to use the alfalfa meals as an alternate with that fish emulsion. So this one also is every other week. I'm going to use this fertilizer again every 3 weeks, which I use today. Then after 3 weeks I'm going to use it until the Brussels sprouts heads start forming. I've been harvesting the heads last December. We have a warm winter except in the month of January. When you start seeing small heads like those, stop using a high value nitrogen and no more side dressing. The nitrogen value should be lower than the phosphorus and potassium because they need more phosphorus and potassium than the nitrogen at this time. For me, the climate is the most important thing in growing brassicas. They don't like temperatures above 90 Fahrenheit. They're not going to form the heads or stop forming the heads when the climate is hot. The ideal temperature is between 70s to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The others remove the what we call this, the leaves, so that the plant can concentrate in making the heads bigger. But last December it did not matter. I did not cut for at first the leaves, but the heads were big. You can top the plant by cutting the topmost growth, so the plant can concentrate on the heads to make them bigger. Going to tap this one also. Oops, escaping. couldn't find the other fertilizer that I used. I think the values are 3, 5, 6, 3 nitrogen, 5 phosphorus, and 6 potassium. To successfully grow Brussels sprouts, plant them in a well-draining soil in a sunny spot where they can get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. The soil should be fertile and with a pH around 6.8. To have a fertile soil, add organic matter like compost or manure. Space the plant between 18 to 24 inches apart. I started sowing my seeds indoors around 6 weeks before transplanting. Ideally, you can transplant the seedlings when the height is between 4 to 6 inches and when the weather is cool. You may put mulch around the seedlings to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize regularly but do not over-fertilize. Give them ample amount of water, especially when the head is forming. Watch out for aphids and cabbage worms. You can remove aphids by spraying them with water or use an organic pesticide. I plant garlic near my Brussels sprouts in the spring as companion plant. You can harvest the sprouts when the heads are around 1 to 2 inches in diameter. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a fun day!